everyone, it's Bee. Today I'm hanging out in the Unicorner with my friend Tyler.
Hey guys!
Check out these cool puppets we made out of cardboard tubes.
I made a dragon.
And I made my favorite, a unicorn. Hey, I've got a bright idea. It's time for a cardboard tube puppet show.
Great idea!
But first, let's show everybody at home how we made our puppets so they can play along too.
Okay.
Here's what you'll need. Cardboard tubes
Some art supplies.
and tape. So for my unicorn, I first taped 2 tubes together to make a head and a body, like this. Then I used paper and markers to add some colorful designs. A mouth, ears, and eyes. And then I made some legs. Pipe cleaners were great for this. And no unicorn puppet is complete without a unicorn horn! Ta-da!
I made my dragon in the same kind of way. Only instead of unicorn designs, I added lots of dragon stuff. Like scales, wings, and teeth. Roar!
Your dragon came out great.
Thanks. So did your unicorn.
Thanks. You can make as many kinds of puppets as you want. People, birds.
Or even an octopus.
When you're all done, just use your fingers and a little imagination to bring them to life. It's showtime! Oh, it's it! It's a dragon! Ah!
Don't worry, I'm a friendly dragon.
Oh, okay. High five! Now you can make puppets in your own unique way. And when you do, just remember to be bold,
Be you
and be unicorn! Hey, here comes a giant worm!
Whoa!